This is question number 3 on homework 5. Lydic Corporation has bonds on the market with 22.5 years to maturity, a YTM, a yield to maturity of 6.9%, a par value of $1,000, and a current price of $1,057. The bonds make semi-annual payments. What must the coupon rate be on these bonds? So the rounding requirement: do not round intermediate calculations. Enter your answer as a percent rounded to 2 decimal places. So in this question, we're provided with characteristics of a bond except for its coupon rate. So we are asked to calculate the coupon rate. So to solve this question, we just need to calculate the coupon payment. So once we know the coupon payment, we can determine the coupon rate by dividing that coupon payment by the par value. So that's our coupon rate. So in this case, we can use Excel to figure out the answer. So the maturity is 20.2, 20.5, 22.5 years, and YTM, that's 6.9%, and par value, that's 1,000, and price, that's 1057. So we are told the bonds make semi-annual payments. So this means that we need to work with semi-annual variables for every variable here. So that means maturity, this is in years, so we need to convert this into the number of semi-annuals by multiplying that by 2, right? So we can use the Excel function, PMT. So the first argument here, the PMT stands for the payment. So that's the annuity payment. In this case, the coupon payment is constant every period, every half a year. So that constitutes a annuity. So that's why we can use this payment function to figure out the answer. The first argument here is the rate. That's the discount rate. So in this case, the YTM is 6.9%. But remember, we said we need to work with the semi-annual terms for every variable. So that includes the YTM. So we can use this number divided by 2. So that will be the semi-annual YTM. And then the second argument is the number of payments. So that's the number of semi-annuals for the maturity. So again, we can multiply this by 2 to figure out the number of semi-annuals. The PV here is the present value, so that's the price. Azure for Excel is that we need to make the PV and the fourth argument FV to be of opposite signs. So that means we can either make PV to be positive or FV to FV to be negative, or we can make PV to be negative and FV future value to be positive. So I choose to make present value to be negative. So negative price. And here we don't have to convert that into semi-annual because price is only one single cash flow. And then the fourth argument, future value, that's the par value. So remember, because we worked with semi-annual terms for every variable, so that also means the coupon payment here refers to the semi-annual coupon payment. So we need to multiply this by 2 to get back to the annual coupon payment. And then the coupon rate is simply this variable, the annual coupon payment divided by the par value. So that's 7 point. We can go back to the question and see it's in percentage terms, and we need to round the answer to 2 decimal places. So we can change the format by right click on the cell and percentage and keep 2 decimal places. So that leaves us with 7.40%. So let me check my work. Okay, great job.